The formation of cells is adversely affected by blood cancer, which is a highly deadly form of the disease. Sometimes these blood cells will cease developing in a troublesome manner, and other times they will expand disproportionately in a manner that is both extremely hazardous and malignant. However, blood cancer is an extremely fatal condition that affects the majority of people and offers very little hope for life. In this video, we are going to have a look at some of the indicators of blood cancer, with particular reference to the microscopic rashes on the skin known as petechiae, which signal that an individual is suffering from blood cancer. Just relax, take it easy, and take something useful away from this discussion while you enjoy yourself. This skin disorder that looks like rashes develops when blood capillaries burst and leak into the skin, turning the affected area red with tiny dots that look like they are part of a rash. Once you start noticing rashes or tiny dots on your skin, you will need to see a doctor for proper checks and diagnosis to avoid dying suddenly, as blood cancer is not something to toy with. There are other, less severe reasons why people develop petechiae. However, this is perhaps the most serious cause. And once you start noticing petechiae, it is best to see a doctor as soon as possible. Nevertheless, in the event that you are interested, the following is a list of some of the other symptoms that accompany petechiae in cases of blood cancer. 1. Ongoing feelings of fatigue or sluggishness. 2. Swollen lymph nodes, which are an indication that the body is fighting an extremely serious infection. 3. Easy bleeding or bruising. 4. Nose bleeding that is persistent or recurrent. 5. Bone pain or tenderness. 6. Reduction in body fat even in the absence of increased physical activity or exercise. This is also one of the most important warning indicators of having blood cancer. Visit a medical professional as soon as you begin to notice any of the above symptoms, particularly if you also have what is known as petechiae, which are rashes that appear on the skin and are colored red.